The 2014 Citroen DS3 Ines de la Fressange Paris concept. Citroen is serious about making a splash at the Paris Motor Show. After unveiling the Divine DS concept on September 8, 2014, the French automaker followed that up by pulling the covers off of a pair of DS3 concepts that highlight its collaborative powers with the high-class Parisian fashion scene. Citroen's DS Styling Center recently collaborated with French fashion label Ines de la Fressange Paris to develop special edition versions of the DS3 and DS3 Cabrio. The two concepts were designed with a clear objective in mind: enhance the DS3's appeal as a model suited for the discerning French fashionista. The concepts come loaded with unique styling and plenty of graphics, the kind you expect to see when a fashion label with the style divine of Ines de la Fressange Paris gets involved. The DS3 and the DS3 Cabrio were designed separately, each with its own distinctive flavor that emphasizes the personalization potential of the entire DS3 line. The two concepts are set to make their debuts at the DS World Paris event this week before heading to the Paris Motor Show on October 4, 2014. Click past the jump to read more about the Citroen DS3 Ines de la Fressange Paris concept. Citroen DS3 Ines de la Fressange Paris concept in detail. There are some similarities between the two Ines de la Fressange Paris designed models. On the outside, you can immediately tell the difference in appearance between the DS3 and the DS3 Cabrio. The former comes with an ink blue satin finish that blends well with a glossy black onyx black roof. Meanwhile, the latter comes with inverted colors, featuring a glossy Perla Nera black finish and a matte infinite blue roof with an infinite blue soft top. The DS3 and DS3 Cabrio both feature a set of 17-inch Aphrodite diamond cut wheels coated in a blue hue. It's not your usual look, but it somehow works on the two DS3 models. There are some similarities between the two Ines de la Fressange Paris designed models. For example, the exclusive Ines red mirror housings that create a small yet effective contrast with the two-tone exterior colors of the DS3 and DS3 Cabrio. The Ines red color also makes an appearance on the wheel hubs and the DS logo surround. The seats also received personalized upgrades in the form of a granite blue grained leather upholstery matched with white top stitching. Look a little closer at the back of the concepts and you'll see a personalized aéropostale adhesive signature that uses the red, white, and blue colors of the French flag. There is also an enamel effect emblem carrying the words Ines de la Fressange Paris on the central pillar. Okay, there aren't any photos of the interior yet, but Citroen did announce that the two concepts will share the same cabin design. The most noticeable of these exclusive designs is the use of the same red, white, and blue colors to carefully lay out the concept's interior. The seats also received personalized upgrades in the form of a granite blue grained leather upholstery matched with white top stitching. The aéropostale signature on the body is also part of the seat design, readily identified on the headrests of these seats. Even the dashboard of the two concepts weren't spared from Ines de la Fressange Paris's sense of stylish sophistication. The Ines red shade used on the mirror casings and wheel hubs on the body can found a home on the dashboard, with the aéropostale signature making one final appearance on the car's protective mats.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.